Hey guys, I'm Mike from REESE, and today we're taking a look at the REESE Sidewinder, part number 68220. The Sidewinder is a premium fifth wheel pin box that bolts to a set of wings on the front of a fifth wheel trailer. It has a kingpin, which attaches to a fifth wheel hitch found in the truck bed of a towing vehicle. This premium pin box is specifically designed for short bed pickups because it automatically allows for up to 90-degree turns, which typically isn't possible with a standard fifth wheel setup. This eliminates any turning and clearance headaches while towing. With the REESE Sidewinder, experience the ultimate short bed towing solution. Providing automatic tracking behind the tow vehicle, the Sidewinder is unique because there is no need for a fifth wheel slider system to make tight turns, especially when trying to park the trailer in those tight spots or maneuver around campsites with limited turning space. The best part? The Sidewinder does this automatically without ever having to leave the truck. The key is in the Sidewinder's wedge design. When coupled to a trailer, the Sidewinder uses the wedge to lock out the rotation point of a typical fifth wheel system at the hitch. This causes the trailer's pivot position to move 22 inches back, allowing the trailer to track more closely to the vehicle when turning, no matter if you're traveling in forward or reverse. Another huge advantage of the Sidewinder is that it can be rotated to allow for hooking up to a truck at any angle. This is an absolute must when there's not enough space or when you just need more room to back the truck straight into the trailer. The Sidewinder features a 20,000-pound capacity in an improved, robust design that adds increased stability and strength to support heavier loads. To ensure its strength and dependability, the Sidewinder exceeds all REESE and industry standards through SAE testing. And to help protect against the elements and prevent rust and corrosion, the Sidewinder features a black powder coat finish. Installing the Sidewinder is quick and easy. Simply remove the current pin box on the fifth wheel trailer, raise the Sidewinder into the trailer's wing set, insert the provided hardware, and torque to specification. As a final step, the Sidewinder is shipped with pre-installed lockout bolts to prevent the turret from rotating. These will need to be removed to allow the Sidewinder to rotate as intended. Of course, you can always choose to leave the lockout bolts in place and use the Sidewinder as a standard pin box. To make installation even simpler, the Sidewinder has been improved to fit some of the most common trailer wing sets on the market with an improved bolt hole pattern. To install the wedge, simply remove it from its storage location on the bottom of the skid plate and fasten it to the wedge carrier. Next, you would couple the Sidewinder to the fifth wheel hitch. Once coupled, simply remove the safety pin from the scrolling wheel and rotate it toward the vehicle's driver's side. This will move the wedge toward the fifth wheel's funnel. Keep turning the wheel with your hand until the wedge fully inserts tightly into the fifth wheel's funnel. Once the wedge is snug, simply reinsert the safety pin and you're good to tow. Along with the provided REESE fifth wheel hitch wedge, REESE offers 4 Wedge Kit options to accommodate the multiple different brands of fifth wheel hitches on the market. These wedges are custom designed to specifically fit into the funnels of these hitches, ensuring the most secure fit when towing your fifth wheel trailer. All wedge kits are tested to meet or exceed industry standards and are coated in a durable black e-coat finish. All in all, the REESE Sidewinder is the ultimate solution when towing with a short bed pickup. Its sleek, easy-to-use design is virtually maintenance-free, tested to surpass the highest SAE and industry standards, and is backed by a limited lifetime warranty. And that's it for the REESE Sidewinder, part number 68220. For more information on this and other great products from REESE, visit reeseproducts.com.